Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Vietnam. So we have drawn here the stars, you can see in the middle. Okay, so let's do the borders of the stars. Later we're going to fill it up with the colors. Okay, so the flag of Vietnam has a red color all over the flag and the yellow star in the middle. All right, the stars is done. Now I'm going to put the highlighter and make it a bright color inside. Okay, and a red color all over the places. Let's put the red color. We're just putting the color around the stars here. All right, so I have filled up the color with the red color and the star you can see inside. This is the flag of Vietnam. Let's write down the name Vietnam. V-I-E-T-N-A-M. Vietnam. All right. So this is the quite similar presentations of the flag. The exact color is red and the yellow, and total symbol is looks like this. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.